Hey everyone! I spent hours testing some of the top-rated laser levels to save you the headache of wasted money. I bought and put these tools to the test in real-world conditions, so you can trust my insights. Whether you're hanging pictures or tackling a major renovation, I've got you covered with these detailed reviews. Product number 1, Mott over a laser level. I recently got my hands on the Mott over a laser level, and let me tell you, it was a game changer for my home projects. Setting it up was a breeze. I unfolded the tripod, set the height, and within minutes I was ready to go. The green cross lines it projects are incredibly bright, and they stood out even in well-lit conditions, which is something I really appreciate. The first time I used it was for hanging shelves in my living room. I was a bit skeptical about the accuracy, but after a quick calibration I was amazed at how precise the lines were. The horizontal accuracy is plus or minus 3 mm at 10 mm, which means I could trust it to get my shelves perfectly straight. Now let's dive into the pros and cons. One of the biggest advantages of this laser level is its versatility. With 4 adjustable brightness settings, I could easily switch to power-saving mode when I was working indoors. The rotary feature really helped when I was doing a large wall installation. The tripod that comes with it is a huge plus. It can extend from just 9 inches to 25.6 inches, which means I could use it for various heights without any hassle. Plus, its IP54 rating for dust and water resistance means I can use it without worrying about the occasional bump or splash. On the flip side, the initial calibration can be a bit of a hassle, especially if you're in a rush. Also, while it's lightweight and easy to carry, I found it a tad less sturdy compared to some metal options out there. If you're not careful, it could tip over if nudged. So why should you buy the Mott over a laser level? If you're looking for an affordable, reliable, and versatile tool to help with home improvements, this one is a solid choice. It covers the basics and more, making it perfect for both amateurs and seasoned DIYers alike. With a price point of just $39.99, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. Product number 2, Fantic D2 Pocket Green Laser Level. I was curious to see how the Fantic D2 Pocket Green Laser Level would perform, especially given its compact size. Weighing in at just 14.4 ounces, it's super portable. I took it out for a weekend project of hanging artwork, and I was pleasantly surprised by its precision. The first thing I noticed was the bright green laser beam. It's 4 times as bright as the red lasers I've used in the past. This made aligning my frames a piece of cake, even in daylight. The 360 degrees rotation feature is fantastic. I was able to position the laser at various angles without having to reposition the entire unit. The magnetic bracket is a game changer too. It easily attaches to metallic surfaces, freeing up my hands for other tasks. The rechargeable battery life is impressive, providing up to 10 hours of continuous use. I didn't have to worry about running out of juice mid-project, which is a huge relief. However, there are a couple of downsides. The accuracy is rated within 1/8 inch at 30 feet, which is generally good, but I noticed it can drift if the base isn't stable. Also, while the pocket size is convenient, it does mean the buttons are a bit small, making adjustments a bit tricky. So why should you consider the Fantic D2? If you're in the market for a laser level that's both portable and efficient, this is a great pick. It's perfect for small projects and provides the accuracy you need without breaking the bank at just $34.97. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a busy homeowner, it's easy to see why this tool is gaining popularity. Product number 3, Bosch GLL5020 Laser Level. Next up, I tested the Bosch GLL5020 Laser Level, and wow, this one is a powerhouse. The first feature that stood out to me was the dual power option. It runs on standard AA batteries, which are included, or you can use Bosch's lithium-ion battery for less downtime. This versatility is great for someone like me who sometimes forgets to charge tools. The smart pendulum system really works, automatically leveling itself within a 5/16-inch accuracy at 30 feet. I used it while installing cabinets, and the level lines were spot on, making the installation process a lot smoother. The IP55 rating is another plus, as I often work in environments where dust and moisture are present. However, I did notice that the lines could be a bit thin compared to others, which sometimes made visibility tricky in bright conditions. It also lacks some advanced features like pulse mode for outdoor use, which might be a deal breaker for those who often work outside. So why buy the Bosch GLL 5020? If you're looking for a reliable laser level from a trusted brand, this is an excellent choice. At $49.97, it delivers robust performance and durability, making it a solid investment for anyone serious about home renovations or professional work. Product number 4, WIDDW 4D Laser Level. The next product I explored was the WIDDW 4D Laser Level, which boasts a range of features designed to make leveling tasks easier. The first thing I loved was that it comes with 2 batteries, no more mid-project interruptions to replace batteries. This feature is a lifesaver when you're trying to meet a deadline. The automatic leveling function is another highlight. As long as you're within a 4 degrees incline, it levels itself without any fuss. I tested this during a tile installation and it worked flawlessly. The remote control is also a neat addition, allowing you to start or stop the line projection from a distance. This was especially handy when I needed to adjust my positioning without getting up and down repeatedly. However, there are some caveats. The automatic leveling won't work if the angle exceeds 4 degrees, which can be a hassle if you're working on uneven surfaces. Additionally, the visibility outdoors is limited without an outdoor receiver, so keep that in mind if you plan to use it outside. So why should you consider the WIDDW 4D Laser Level? If you need a feature-rich tool that simplifies leveling tasks, it's a fantastic option. At $59.99, it offers great value for the features it provides, especially for serious DIYers or professionals looking for accuracy and convenience. Product number 5, Nicotech Self-Leveling Green Laser. Lastly, I tested the Nicotech Self-Leveling Green Laser, and I was blown away by its budget-friendly price of just $15.98. It's perfect for someone who wants to dip their toes into the world of laser levels without breaking the bank. The bright green laser beam is easily visible and projects at a wide angle of 110 degrees. The self-leveling feature is pretty impressive for the price. Once you unlock the pendulum, it automatically levels itself within a 3-5 degrees range. If the surface is too tilted, it flashes as a warning, which is a great touch. The IP54 rating means it's dust-proof and waterproof, making it suitable for various environments. However, there are limitations. The accuracy isn't as tight as some pricier models, and it lacks some advanced features that professionals might need. It's also manual, which means you need to be more hands-on with adjustments. So why buy the Nicotech Self-Leveling Green Laser? If you're a beginner or someone who only needs a laser level for occasional use, this is an affordable and effective choice. It's perfect for DIY projects around the house, and it won't hurt your wallet. In conclusion, whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just starting, there's a laser level on this list that suits your needs. From the budget-friendly Nicotech to the feature-rich WIDDW, each tool has its strengths. I hope this deep dive helps you make an informed decision. Happy leveling!